Let's learn 8 dances in 5 minutes only. So to learn so many dances, we have to learn 2 elements of dance. So the first element is right here, will be rock step, and the second element, triple step. So let's learn rock step first. It looks like this. So we taking our right leg back, and we're just rocking back and forth. Rocking, rocking, rocking. So we can rock back, we can rock forward. So this is our rock step. And we can do it from any leg, any direction. We can rock this way, we can rock backwards. So we're just rocking in between our feet. So this is a rock step. And the second element is a triple step. So what is a triple step? It's a 3-step we're doing to the side. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Step number 1, 2, 3. So let's call it triple step. Triple step, triple step. So we have 2 elements of dance right now. So we have a rock step, we're just rocking forward and back, and we have a triple step. So let's see how many dance we can learn knowing just these 2 elements of dance. So let's go to dance number 1. It's called salsa. So what is salsa? So salsa in essence is just 2 rock step combined together. It looks like this. So we're rocking from our right leg back, rock, step, together. Then we're rocking from the different leg forward, rock, step, together. And if we count it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we have a salsa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, rock together, rock, step together. If we change rhythm and timing slightly, and we're going to go on 2, it's going to be mambo. So this will be already dance number 2. So we have count 1, then we go 2, 3, 4, 5, we go 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we already have 2 dances, salsa and mambo, only doing rock step. Let's move slowly to dance number 3, which is cumbia. So what is cumbia? Cumbia is basically we're going to rock backward only. So we have with the right step, you're rocking back, rock, step, then bring feet together, and then with the left leg, we're rocking backward. And timing the same as in salsa. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's already 3 dances. We dance salsa with you. We dance mambo, which is the same step, just different rhythm. We dance cumbia with you, which is basically just rock steps back. Now, if we combine rock step with a triple step, followed by another triple step to the other side, we have a swing. So we have a rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. So this is, we have a dance swing. So dance number 4. If we add a little bit jumping action to it, we have a jive. We have a rock, step, triple step, triple step with a little bit more dropping feel, a little bit different timing, but same steps. We have a jive. So already 5 dances. Now next one, if we combine rock step with 1 triple step, and then we add 1 more rock step, we have a cha-cha-cha, and then again triple step. So we have a rock, step, cha-cha-cha. We have a rock, step, cha-cha-cha. So we already got 6 dances. Now let's move to the next dance. Dance number 7 is going to be bachata. So bachata is a triple step, and then we do small tap with our foot. You can add hip. You don't have to. Just close our feet. So go 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7. Triple step, hip, triple step. So this is bachata. This is we're dancing bachata right now. And now last but not the least, dance number 8 is going to be a polka. So what is polka? So polka, we're just basically doing triple step and slightly changing direction. You can dance all of this step by yourself or together. So we're dancing polka. So we got 8 dances in 5 minutes. Follow Dance with Oleg app for more and enjoy.